Grow plants faster and pest-free with this powder. Have you ever thought a simple bar of soap could transform your garden? Today, I'm going to show you a little trick that feels like pure magic. Grab an old bar of soap, any mild, unscented kind works best, and cut or break it into a few small chunks. Now, dig shallow holes around your plants, especially near the base and roots. Drop the soap pieces in and gently cover them with soil. What happens next might surprise you. As the soap slowly breaks down, it releases compounds that naturally repel pests like aphids, whiteflies, and even some soil-dwelling bugs. Your plants stay protected. No need for sprays or harsh chemicals. The soap also helps deter animals like rabbits and deer, thanks to its scent and texture. Just be sure to use soap without heavy perfumes or antibacterial agents. The simpler, the better. Do this once every few weeks, and you'll start to notice fewer pests, healthier growth, and cleaner, stronger leaves. It's a garden trick that feels like a little secret, simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Try it just once, and you might be amazed at the results. If you found this garden magic helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more easy, powerful tips. Happy gardening!